Hello everyone, this is the head and shoulders chart pattern. We will be covering hypothetical examples in all our chart patterns first. Then we will identify them on the live chart patterns so my students can learn in the best possible way. As from the name head and shoulders, this consists of a left shoulder and a head and a right shoulder, like us humans. The shoulders are connected by a line called the neckline. As you can see in this diagram below, the shoulders are connected by a line called a neckline. The head and shoulder pattern is a bearish reversal pattern which is found only in uptrends. Head and shoulder is a very strong bearish pattern. So this is something which we need to look on the charts. The interpretation of head and shoulder pattern is that when the neckline gets break, which I have labeled here on the chart, if this gets break, the price will fall very fast. One thing guys, for the head and shoulders chart pattern, always use bigger time frames like 4-hour and the daily chart for the best results. I am not a fan of the smaller time frame charts. Let's go to the chart and find head and shoulder chart pattern. This is the Bitcoin US dollar daily chart pattern. Let's go and find an head and shoulders. As you can see over here clearly, there is a head and shoulder chart pattern. You have to take the head and shoulder tool from the toolbox simply over here and draw it. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And the shoulders are connected by a line called the neckline, as you can see over here. When the neckline gets broke, the price will fall drastically. The target for the head and shoulder would be that you have to take the range tool from the toolbox and measure the distance from head to the neckline. Let's take the range tool from head to the neckline. Once this neckline gets broken, the price will fall drastically. As you can see in this head and shoulder chart pattern, the neckline got broke, the price went all the way down and perfectly hit the target. Upon breaking the neckline, this would be our target. So this is the simple head and shoulder chart pattern. I hope you have enjoyed and learned the lecture. Let's move on to our next lecture.